Two of a kind, looking fine as wine. Oxidine Marine is badass by design. Both these boats look the same on the outside. Once you pull off the lid, voila! Same parts, two different color schemes. This one's the Seahawks, this one's the Dodgers. Both sporting Castle 1520 1650 kV motors. Both sporting Castle 8S ESCs. Both have my dazzling signature on them. Both have ball bearing outdrives. Both have CNC 4519 props. Both have our CNC nylock lock nuts. And both have our CNC power servo. We opted for sensor-based operation on both of these boats. Full foam filling and flotation in both, including the hatches. Both sport the Quasar talking GPS radio, and both have it all hooked up, ready to go. Super strong, super stiff, indestructible carbon fiber design. Both are sporting push-pull cable steering. If you want one of these masterpieces, it only takes us about a week to 10 days to build. If you haven't already, subscribe to our YouTube channel, like this video, and continue enjoying model boating.